Hi, everyone. It's Denise from BFFs.com.
Hi, and I'm Sandy, and we're really happy to be here today.
Today, we're going to talk about seedling trays and things that you can do while you kind of feel like you're stuck in the house. So we have brought some things for you to go out into the backyard and start enjoying some sunshine. So we're going to talk about planting a garden. Sandy, do you want to just kind of give them a peek of what we have?
You know, it's really hard right now with all the kids home from school to try to find like productive, fun things to do. And one of the things that might be a lot of fun is just to kind of make a small garden. And you can, make garden with fruits, with vegetables, with microgreens, whatever it is that, you'd like to do. But I think kids really like that. They see that they're working on something and they see the seeds sprout and, it just gives them a real sense of satisfaction. And it's so good for them to be outside and in the sun and soaking up that vitamin D a little bit. I know for me, I do work out, but I need to go for those walks where the sun is just on me and I feel like I get the fresh air and I feel like, I'm okay, I'm normal. I'm out there, I'm normal, everything's fine. And it just gives me a sense of peace. So,
And it's so rewarding, isn't it?
yeah.
It's so rewarding. I have a plum tree, an orange tree, a lemon tree, and an apple tree, a Fuji apple tree. And so there's nothing more fulfilling than going out, oh, I need a lemon, and just picking it off your tree. You know what you're getting in your own backyard. You know that, it's all organic. Our seedling trays are even organic, and you can put them right in the ground. Sandy, do you want to show them? Do you
I'm going
have
to
them?
show them right now. So
Okay.
these are seedling trays, and they're biodegradable. So what that means is you can plant your seeds in here with your potting soil. And once it starts to just grow a little bit, you can actually detach these and separate them. And you don't need to take the root and the fragile plant out of the square. You can actually just plant the whole square into the ground since it's biodegradable. So that is the really cool part about this, because it just prevents like root shock, and it just prevents all those transplant problems that may occur. We also provide the little plant tag, so you know what kind of seeds you have in each of these little squares. Yeah, these are perfect. These are great. I have a lemon tree, and I'm planting some more things in my garden, and it's the perfect time to do it. I mean, what else do we have to do?
And for those who have kids, like Sandy was saying, you can give one to each child and let them grow their own garden, and it will be so special to them to watch whatever they've planted grow and flourish, and then they can harvest it and eat it, and it'll be more exciting for them to, even if they plant vegetables, and then you'll have your kids eating what they planted, and I think that will be exciting for them.
And you know what, Denise, the good part too is these are not just meant for the outdoors. If you wanted to start your seedling project on the windowsill and you wanted to, just so that you could show your kids or just to see, the start of the seed actually growing, you can put these on your windowsill. So that's what's really nice about them too. So these are for indoor or outdoor use, and they save water and they're breathable. They're just a cute little, seedling tray that you can have some fun with. In the description below, we'll put our Amazon site so you can find the seedling trays if you'd like them.
Okay, good idea. But then on 2bffs.com, you can find all the things that you might, if you need anything, if you need a little shovel or if you need any gardening tools, you'll be able to find those there. Yeah.
And one more thing I wanted to bring up before we sign off, we also have the big slip and slides on our site. And I know my kids every summer, they could not get enough of that slip and slide. Were your kids the same way, Denise?
Oh yeah, they love that. Anything that they can get wet and, go outside and play and burn off some energy. Oh, they love that.
Yeah, and that's something fun to kind of keep them busy for a few hours. Feed them a little lunch and go out there and just play on the slip and slide. And the weather's getting better and better, so it's definitely time for that.
And I know that some states are able to have less restrictions than others. We're in California, so a lot of things that we're doing outdoors right now are in our backyards.
Mhm.
So at least until June 1st for now. Anything that you can do with your kids to keep them busy and can keep them occupied, we have a lot of those things. So take a peek around and see what you can find. But I think that the seedling planting tray will be good. And if they need to do a little school project, what a perfect project that they can do. There's a lot that they can do with that. And
Yeah.
they can have fun and grow their own fruit and vegetables at the same time. All right, everyone. Well, thank you, and stay safe out there. Find some fun projects to do, and enjoy the rest of your day.
Enjoy the rest of your day. Stay safe.
Subscribe. All right, everyone. Bye-bye.